As a golf instructor, I would see many of my students awkwardly swinging the golf club and losing power and control. These golfers tend to hit at the golf ball rather than swinging through it, which is a different motion entirely. Fortunately, the patented design of the orange whip trains the golfer to find their own natural, athletic golf swing. One of the best exercises we found was the hinging forearm rotation drill. Not only does it cure the problem, it also stretches and strengthens the muscles. We'll learn with the right hand first and then illustrate with the left. Assume a proper athletic setup position with a slight forward tilt from the hips. Allow the neck, spine, and tailbone to maintain alignment. With the arms hanging naturally, place the fingers of one hand over the product sticker just below the grip and with your thumb on top of the shaft for support. With each arm hanging by your side, begin the drill by swinging your arm in front of your body. The counterweight will be hindered by your hip, therefore promoting the rotation of the forearm as you begin swinging. Continue this motion, allowing the arm to swing with the weight of the orange whip. As the motion develops, the torso will rotate with the swinging whip. The wrists should hinge to accommodate the weight of the swinging whip on the backswing motion, and release on the forward motion through the impact area before rehinging to support the follow-through. Allow your free hand to swing with your body. As you find a rhythm coordinating your arms and torso, use your footwork to control the pace and maintain balance. Now let's look at the motion with the left hand. Always begin with small, pendulum-like swings and gradually increase the length of the motion. Also, if you play tennis, try and mimic the forehand and backhand swings used for ground strokes. Once you're comfortable, try closing your eyes to improve balance. We recommend 10 to 15 reps with each hand for the development of a balanced swing.